Good morning. My name is Derek Bontrager with Stutzman's. Today I'm standing next to our FS Manufacturing 100-gallon skid sprayer. This sprayer is designed to be set into the bed of a utility vehicle. It'll fit into most of the common sizes of the larger utility vehicles. This one happens to be a 100-gallon one. They do offer a 50-gallon one that's just a little bit narrower to fit into some of those narrower bodied utility vehicles. This particular sprayer comes with a 4-horsepower Honda pump and motor, or Honda motor with a pump on it. That pump is rated for 22.5 gallon a minute. It's got a hose reel and a wand on here that's 50 feet long on that. This sprayer is designed that it's got baffles in it, so as you're driving around, you're going to have a little less sloshing, driving out along the road ditches and that sort of stuff. It's also got an anti-vortex in the bottom of the tank as well too. It is a totally drainable tank, so anything that you mix up in here, you'll be able to spray it all out. We do have several different boom options available for this sprayer. They are a 12-foot boom, an 18-foot boom, or a boomless nozzle. The boomless nozzle is able to shoot typically 15 foot in either direction. It works really great if you're working in brushy areas. The unique thing about this sprayer is this arm here folds up and swings around so it's next to you as you're driving along in your utility vehicle, and you'll have a pressure gauge on there and on-off, shut-off, and you'll be able to control your pressure in there as well too. So you can see what you're actually doing in the sprayer, or with the sprayer to the back of the unit. So we have these and other similar units available at Stutzman's. For more information, stop in and see us or check out our website, stutzmans.com. Thank you.